mean, our time is winding down, but I've got to ask you this as we go towards, the end of that, is that, so now what is the chatter about? That whether a deputy CJ was then able to call the case against now, who is one that, you are in the same circles with, and that is a former deputy president, Rigathi Gachagua, that whether his case should have been called by a deputy, whether it shouldn't have been, whether he did have the right to remain. What are your thoughts around all of
that?
That
decision was wrong, of upholding a bench constituted by the Deputy Chief Justice when the Chief Justice is within the country, when she has not been left acting. It would create chaos in the world even of common sense, where the headmaster is in the school and the deputy makes a decision for the headmaster. The headmaster has not gone on a journey and left him acting. You cannot have that situation, even from a common sense point of view. So what that means, therefore, is that that bench was not properly empowered, and therefore the orders that emanated from it need to be reversed. It means when the next bench is formed, they may arrive at a decision different from that. And even if they were to validate the actions done, it means in the interim, Kindiki becomes illegitimate. He's an illegitimate DP. Okay? And it means the person, because those are the orders that paved way to the swearing before the case could be determined. Remember, the case has not yet been determined. So it means the substantive DP in office is none other than the second Deputy President of the Republic, Rigathi Gachagua. He is impeached because up to there, the decision has to come and be reversed by the court. But it means it is not time to appoint any other person
in the interim.
So we are in that limbo. And Kindiki knows it as a lawyer. He is illegitimate. And those of us, I'm sure even from a common sense of view, who saw the court quickly allowing the swearing in, instead of utilizing that time to quickly determine the question. Because what comes before? Is it the chicken or the egg? They should have determined the legitimacy of the impeachment without delay before anybody else is sworn in. The country was not in any crisis.